Do not let the spring pastels fool you, because back to reality, back to regularly scheduled programming quite soon.
We can do it again tomorrow.
Okay.
Friday, not so much. Yeah.
Friday I come in and just in all black, just winter,
What's the
gray.
Christmas Story?
Ralphie?
Yeah.
Or his little brother? Oh my gosh, this is terrible.
One.
I
Yeah.
can't think of.
Well, you referenced that before with temperatures similar to what it'll be like Friday.
I mean,
so
that's me
bundle up.
basically.
Yeah.
Most days of the week, I am looking like I'm out of the Christmas Story. Yeah.
Well, we do have a little bit of light rain right now. It's nothing heavy, but enough to dampen some of the roads. You look closely from our tower cam downtown Portland, and you can see a little bit of that reflective property of rain on a wet road. So it's light. We're not expecting anything overly impressive, 1/10, 2/10 of an inch of rain for the most part, and they'll come and go. It'll be off and on showers for the rest of tonight. I think by tomorrow morning things start to let up. There's a little bit of snow in the higher terrain right now as well. And you see there's more to go. So we've got several hours of this rainfall to come, and into tomorrow morning, for the most part, I think it's finishing up. There may be some lingering stuff down east, a stray shower into the 9 o'clock hour, with the focus tomorrow being in northern Maine, the Highlands, perhaps the Maine-Canada border, where there will be a few inches of snowfall possible in the highest terrain. Then it turns cold Friday. This will be thanks to the same feature, but the clockwise spin around it, tapping into that Arctic feel. And Friday, you'll want to bundle up. Highs will stay in the 20s, wind chill in the teens and single digits. The wind will be 10 to 20 out of the northwest. This weekend, Saturday late afternoon into Sunday morning, a weak system moves through. I think more of the state catches snow with this one, to the tune of a coating to 1 or 2 inches of snow. I don't think it's a significant one. But this system indirectly will have somewhat of a say on what is to happen with the storm system that we're eyeing early next week, because however this front comes off of the low that passes through Maine Saturday night, Sunday, the storm system that's going to develop and eventually work to the northeast, it's going to develop off this front. So, for example, if the front is well off of the mid-Atlantic coast, this low develops and likely stays far enough out to sea to not be much of a problem Sunday night and into Monday. But if that front is weaker and it hangs out closer to the coast, that would mean that the low would develop, say, off the Delmarva. That position would be more favorable for a coastal track, and that would put more of New England in line for impacts and snowfall from whatever is to happen in that scenario. A lot of times something in between the two possibilities will happen. It's not to the point where we can say definitively it's going to do one or the other, but that is for sure what's going to be on our radar, so to speak, over the next several days. So we're going to key in on the trends tomorrow and Friday to get more concrete info out. 4 to 6 foot seas on the waters tomorrow, low 40s in the Gulf of Maine. So cold Friday, a little bit of weekend snow Saturday, late afternoon through Sunday morning. Don't think anything more than a coating to an inch or two. And then Monday, storm pending. Again, there's still some stuff to iron out with that, primarily the track that it takes. But you know, it's 5 or so days out. We got plenty of time right now, just kind of perking up to the possibility.
Just keeping an eye out for now. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you.